Get free tips and tricks by subscribing WikiTips channel and press bell icon for lifetime free unlimited videos. Click subscribe. Hey guys, do you know that many players are faced right now with a Fortnite cooldown error that is absolutely frustrating for anyone that wants to jump into a match at the moment? This is a rather annoying issue that requires players to take a chill pill for the moment and not be able to join in any battle royale matches. The Fortnite cooldown error is affecting every single platform that the game is available on, including PC, Xbox One, PS4, and iOS mobile devices. So what exactly Fortnite cooldown error is and how you can fix this Fortnite cooldown error. The Fortnite cooldown error is requiring a little cooldown for everyone across the world right now. This error just started, and we suspect that it is most likely related to the release of the iOS edition of the game that launched just earlier today as of the time of publishing. If that isn't the case for you, then it could be a recent or incoming update. Regardless of whatever the reason is behind the Fortnite cooldown error, it has essentially put a total stop on all matchmaking services on every version of the game. So now, how to fix the Fortnite cooldown error? So the great news is that the Fortnite cooldown error has been resolved successfully. As per the latest tweet from Fortnite Games, matchmaking services have returned to a healthy state and there's no longer any queue. For more such updates and latest news from Fortnite Epic Games, don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you have any Fortnite related query, let us know in comments section. Your issue will be resolved within 1 hour. Thanks for watching. Hit like if you like this information.